adopted the chapters in the midterm on this one, the coming Wednesdays?
No.
No?
It's still slide
That's slide
17.
90 something. That's going to be Med 2, Quiz 2.
So this is for midterm 2.
Midterm 2, yes. Okay. That's simply the outcome. Thank you. Here I'm keeping the same, but I'm adding these two statements for stroke and fill. So here I have the border is going to be green and the fill inside is going to be yellow. If I add here arc width and arc height again, this is going to be almost in half. So this is 7.515. Default, if I don't have a stroke, default is what?
Black?
Black. See? So now you cannot differentiate between the border or what's inside. Okay, so here it's not a straight line, Tom. This is usually a curve. So the curve length usually has its own method to calculate, but for now, usually it's mapping around half of the value. Okay? You don't need to know the, like, how is it calculated. It's not us. Now circle. So for the circle, what do we have?
Arcs.
XY of the center point and radius. So we draw our circle. We know,
We have the constant.
yeah, if this is your window, then here, the center point, and this is Y radius. Yeah? So here, let's call this layout X. And let's call this layout Y. And this is my radius. So here, sorry, X, Y, and radius. Now the value of radius, is it the same as the value of X? No. So here it can be
X can be
less.
longer.
It has to be less actually. It can be only equal in one case.
If the radius is starting from the side.
From 0,
Yeah.
exactly, excellent. And it can be the same as Y, only if
It starts from
you
0.
start from 0.
Wait, doctor, I have a question. Like, you see how they had the set arc width for the rectangle? Can we do the same for the circle?
Yes?
But would that change the entire shape of the circle? It's just
You want to set stroke widths?
like the arc. Like, if I want to set an arc,
Oh,
can
no.
I automatically use that to change the entire layout of the circle?
Again, you want to change the
Like,
rectangle to
basically,
circle?
like I can use the arc to change the size
I
of the
got you.
circle.
That's the maximum shape you can get from a rectangle. Let me show you this. You see that?
Yeah.
So here, this is the maximum. You see that? It will never be an oval shape. It will never be a circle.
Doctor, isn't this a rectangle with an arc? Big arc?
You might try this actually. It's interesting. Could be at certain point if you have equal size.
Because we just made
So
the
you need
rectangle
to
a
have
circle.
equal width, equal height, and a value that's duplicating the value of X and Y for the arc. Yeah, that might
So
work.
we can use that to make the rectangle into a circle?
Yes. Very nice. Okay.
Doctor, if you expanded the circle the way you just did right now, isn't it a rectangle with
Yeah, now this acts like a rectangle if I do it. See?
Yeah.
So, okay. Anyways, yeah, if you expand, see here, it should become a different shape. It's a normal rectangle now. Yeah. Okay. So get back here. So I have new circle. These are my two constructors, one that's empty, one accepting x, y, and radius. Set layout x, set layout y, set radius. In case I use this one here. So I will need to use the for statement to do the same exact job of this one. Okay? I'll take example and then we will resume next time. Who can tell me how to draw this circle? Yes, please.
How I should come up?
We put for you 40, 100,
Do you mind being in the video? فرح. Do you mind being in the record?
You said X, Y, and radius?
X, Y, and radius, yes. So X and Y we know how to define.
Yes.
So 30, 40.
بس الراديوس شلون اطلعه؟
هو 50 بس.
هو 50.
بس شلون فهمتي اطلعه؟
ايه فهمتك.
Okay, so we said here.
اتوقع المسافة ما بينه الين.
Radius.
The radius is 50.
Yes.
So from point 30, we need additional 50.
So 70.
You move with the X.
so okay.
So from the X you extend 50
يعني
more. So
till
at point
80,
80, exactly, and then the width. So in the height,
the negatives.
you will reach negative. It's okay. Yeah, it's not the best example, but we were seeing it.
بلس
Here, now for the Y, you have 40 already. Yeah?
Yes.
40 plus 50 gives you
80.
90.
90.
So what I will see here, till,
Okay.
once you see 90,
And
This
doctor will
becomes-
extend another 80 on the
بعدين
other
صرت
side.
No.
كيف؟
this is your circle. What
Okay.
you will see is within the scope of your scene.
اي
You
بس
will not see
الحجم
this.
شلون؟
Wait,
عرفت
doctor,
تعرف؟
on the other side, will it extend another 80 or another 50?
Another 50.
50?
No, 50, just
Okay.
50. The whole radius is 50.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
So,
So-
starting from 80, another 50.
Starting from 30, another 50.
But I mean the other side of the radius.
Here. Negative, you mean?
Yeah.
So in the negative, you will not see it.
نكتة الراديوس ونزود
You will see it
على
only
الراديوس
if you
ونزود
try to
على
expand.
الصح.
And in that case, it will readjust.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it now? Makes sense? Thank you, Farah. Well done.
Doctor.
Is it clear now, Suzanne?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Now this square, like for this example, is gonna be 200 or 200 صح? Instead of 50 or 80.
Again,
The pin here. Is this the pin صح?
that's 90, that's 80.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this for the circle. But the pin is 200 or 200 صح?
Yeah, between us and 200, 200, yes.
Doctor.
It will actually show it. Based on our measurements,
Yeah.
we did not count for the 200, 200, yes.
I don't get how big you draw the circle. Like, how do you know how big it should be? I get the radius.
So usually it's the points connecting this radius to that radius.
Oh,
And
okay.
so you move with this, draw your circle.
دكتور طيب ما فهمت أنا كانت 100 بعدين قلتي إنه 100 minus 40
Let's do it again, the same
But
example.
doctor, in this example, where would the circle end at?
صح أنا يعني هنا أنت ويو are adding صح؟
Now I'm adding. The opposite way I was subtracting it. And the value here is less.
Okay. If the value was less, subtract.
Here, this is 100. Yeah, and this was 100. Okay, so this is my center point, 100
Yes.
and 100. Now, my radius is 40, so it's either you do it plus, till you reach 140,
Or
but
minus
if you cannot see it, then
60.
just 60.
Aren't you supposed to do both?
You can do whatever.
To be like a full circle?
Yeah, but it depends on how big your scene is, again.
Oh, yeah,
So
yeah.
if the scene is smaller, just work with the area you see.
Uh-huh.
So here, this is gonna be the 40. This is your circle. Good?
وإذا كانت 60 بصير العكس صح؟
The 60 معناته توقفي 40. So if this was 60, معناها عند ال 40 becomes our, see this? Instead of it ends here at 60, it will end here.
And doctor,
Yes.
in the other example where the radius was like at 80, would the circle then end at 130? Because you from the 80 have to add an additional 50?
Yes. Yes. Huh, clear? All good? Suzanne?
Yes.
Yes.
No, it's fine.
Okay. All good?
Yes.
Any questions? All right.
اللي هي قالت لك اياها يعني ما حطيتها